Kaushal, is SEO a marketing responsibility or a product responsibility?
SEO as such is going to help the entire organization. So it should be an organizational responsibility instead of the responsibility of a specific department. So as such, it would need an integrated planning and execution to ensure that SEO delivers its results. But once it is done in this particular manner, you are sure that SEO is going to give you returns which is far better than many other channels. So what I would do in this case is rephrase your question and rephrase it to that, hey, should marketing have the primary responsibility of SEO, or should the product team have the primary responsibility of SEO? And the answer, like any other SEO question or most other SEO questions, is it depends. It depends on the stage where your website is. Let's say you are in the launch phase and the website is being developed. The marketing team maybe have not yet stepped into the organization as well. The product team is working along with the engineering team to launch the website. At such time, based on the SEO recommendations which are provided by the SEO agency, what needs to be done is this recommendation should be implemented by the product team. And the KPI or the KRAs of the product team would be to do 100% implementation of all the SEO suggestions. At this stage, the responsibility of SEO should be with the product team. But later on, once your product is launched, you will come to a stage where the product is live, and now what you're expecting from SEO is to drive revenue, to drive transactions, visits, etc. At this juncture, it makes sense to move this responsibility to the marketing team, because these KPIs that we spoke of resonate more with the marketing team. At the same time, while the primary responsibility will be with the marketing team, we need help from all the other departments as well to ensure that SEO turns into a success. For example, in an e-commerce marketplace organization, the SEO team will also need help from the category team. Maybe the website does not has a few products which were identified by the SEO team when they were doing the keyword research. They found those products on some competitor website but not on the client website. And at this stage, the help from the category team would be needed to procure those products and ensure that those are there on the marketplace. This would ensure that SEO turns into a success.